ebusan for high juicy news. Mema obibia akwaba. Latest hot news. Era me de bro. Na ansana and something nyina beba no. So we subscribe ya bomodi and say over subscribe to channel. Na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo fufuro so na wenye bi hwe na wo ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memoa. Afi ye share eye ensemo abeto yepono so. Yetie eye sa report ye aba beto ye sansem yi muma yentie.
The edikan
Pandai ana
Bandai na me
Pandai
yes. Se nansi na mikura mi hu se Pandai kuna Dambai.
Oh yeah.
Dambai
no Uti region. And Pandai say northern
region. Because Salagano. Because far Eastern Corridor Road neso.
Okay.
Timidru ole o se mi twato. Timidru Dambai
yeah.
Abu Yinsa me say
Oba pasa.
Oh he na me say me wo Bandai. And I say there uni Bandai. Timidru one na me hu Simon na me say oh Dambai
yes. On a ferry no one.
Ferry no.
Yes.
Ti nipa na catch me say oh Dr. Nelson on information na me Eastern Corridor Road no me fa so that. But it's say after
Kumasi na ope.
After His Excellency John Mahama Baye no and Ayama kwan is smooth. And the journey was very smooth.
Short too.
Very short.
Yes. The only obstacle is the ferry. Of course, now we ferry now.
Now
we in term there.
But you know, buy them so.
Yeah. So on do buy.
And then namu so ho. We say area no omoko nsuo.
So say man say na I say galamsey nyoma na omo President Akufo Addo no mo di fra nyoma na I say nsuo na say. Anka first no. Ko honama na egwo ho no as you see insurance saying
bad
yeah bad
motor
uti
yes any greater no galamsey activities let me say ho no and say other regions
yes but once insurance sonne because omo ye insurance ho adwuma ntin
definitely yeah kakra
debt no ntema
listen let me submission over to you
we na mentia Bandai constituency for you na
beje seat
Penfosi action muye edesa kasabebu nyina ne se ade ya ewo wiase ni se ni pe chinchin musa ato achi na wa kire wo se de wo pe no nye no no de bema na emum de ono pe e no de bema ye nyina ye koto aba December 7 be na ne nansa ye koto aba no ye nyina ye hu se abato no ekọ se ne ye pe no fa kese na esanse NPP fo hu se ade ne kochew no ena omo start se omo ede omo entanchia omo de echinchim NDC nsa 2020 no ese baby mu ti wo se ballot box ane yakofa na ede akosi baabi na enoma ahodo a ensem fata ena ekoso na yekoto aba no bekaye a owura mahama ede tudwa se opesa aba no eye Frenchem na eye devoid of any violence because on pese a drop of blood in po ebeso form to get him the presidency. Tiema NDC for yinyina bekaya obi a hye ne ho so impo yenu bi kura yene owura mahama anya adwen se wo ba preach peace no ye ka kire mo se so mo di sia ye betu akire na pani afutu abam se yemfa abotre na ye de abotre dwa entete a ebehu ne nso no ni nyina mu no NDC for were very calm omo anye bibia ye violent omo ye very tolerable and tolerant into ye hwe the demeanor of NDC wabatu onimu na wo hwe obi a wono wo lusu especially in the parliamentary seats bebrebe wo hu se baby ade ekoyi eche se ya hwe ya enya nye ye de ne ho bagim ntina ekwan bi aso na wo se omode enieden bone efa so chinchin nkofo nsa na se bi nyankopon so na wonai na oye na adwen se obejojo akoma na wama NDC for afa kwantene ne so san se yesi di odi akire sua di odi kan nante John Mahama one Akufo Addo anya adwen no wankotwe aba okọ court no na se bi inti amwa ni amwa no na eni yebo aye de obeye say yes me kan na mama bu afunti me nka bi na eja otchere president a yeni ma ba wonyaye ti we me come last one me nka bi mama we de wanimu a yes an rawo man fufu ni bi enti de ko ba ye no na che se de odi akire be sua de odi kan nante and the member of parliament presidential candidate no PC no of NDC ni ye na adwen say there be me dey say be kwa nine court na court adi na ni aye ni mpani ni no ahwa abato ni na enne me tie akoya tufo ya o NPP for organizer ye friend say yi akoya wai wadidia ye tufo ya adwen said anya adwumen
omo organizer
na finidi omo organizer na bi ana o kekan esemhunu na oyusu west be cynical judgment ni cynical na one am say yeah opa ko ewiase adjectives nyina fa be press conference press conferences do not change court verdicts. Not at all. I thought you said you knew the law. Challenge the verdict in court. Simplicity. When you ti wonu na opa you should be adjectives nyina fa di judgment na tem judgment no onye nipa. I wanted you to go direct to the judge because me feel say judge no say bi wa anya de etene esefata. Why not say it as it is? Judgment no there. If you think say it doesn't even make sense and you say it does not change the verdict. I thought you said we should all go to court when we have
issues,
fights or whatever. Yeah. You said when we have issues we should go to court. So why come out and make noise, nuances of life
when the court is still there?
Meanwhile, there two court to be on. So you see, this brings us to another discussion of why the NPP will forever have told us to go to court, knowing that they had put their
cronies and folks.
Not even cronies like Mami ya no huina CJ
Chokuno. Yeah.
Wamode obia wono na sabi omia omukro ema jowa a atwetwe omo no eko enti woni nya asem go to court and woni nya asem ba kum na go to court no we say NPP lawyer bi eni woni mra NPP lawyer bi eni judge ya obekọ akom dia dem die aponche te said ye ajetna sam nom emponche enyan preko wole kwe bayre no maji no mo de ye judgment NPP lawyer bi eni woni mra enam se omunim judge nti na judge na omunim ni ho nti no se omu court kra na omyem hwehwe omu enye se asenka so ni mra e wo wiase mu a verdict ya ye de betu hoyi ehome it is without blemish. What say impo se meka se na eji afiri wo nsem de ama wo ya ebeyeye menye monko agwo ne form na mo san koto ne foforo osimati kwa apai ade a wo na aso awe ni na kamia they can say me koto ne foforo no kamani beji say because me nim se mato aba ma we ni wo so awe ni with about 3,000 something votes etu the NDC nyere ho wo de waje a say ya na obetimi age mind you wa ban mu no so krampo no wo na wo campaign message no kra ya na entimi enya ho
ensum ye hu bi wa team off
anya bia no wo kwase no akwa we poto na wa ban mu enti se wo hia akwatia de ye koso na nsan na se ye de toto ho a onu atimi se ye dware so ye ho bon enti bon ya bon na ye kwa akwa we enti ye na ene chese yes anya yehu dede and ye meye na me no I just decided to listen to a fool this afternoon because sometimes you are able to understand the fool and know why the fool is playing about
and knows what he's thinking.
And you know mutiye is for the first time and me I had to listen to a fool and I realized that the fool is not just a fool. But the feeling na yem and odi anyini enti ni Jimmy no eni nia na sankana na bi ni nyansa pa ko be nso wagimi sanko yo bi a oni nyansa pa e kan semo ene wo kan ko be nso wagimi pa because abana ye kwa akoto no eye pandai no enya afei na wabeka kire Ghana for say wunya sei eya afei ni ye kwa akoto enti for ho odin na ade press conference ni nyina sabi senka ni nyansa ka be nso wagimi no fa ni nyina ko ho le fa ko campaign
onyimi ba onim nyansa nti
dabi se wonim nyansa hu se wagimi se wagimi na wonim nyansa
wonim nyansa dia
wonim nyansa na wagimi na be nso wagimi.
Okay, so the difference between the two.
There is a difference.
Very well.
So what you are saying, Nansa?
Another Dompreh.
When you say when Nansa Park goes with Jimmy Pa.
One day in the park,
Pa, because no nipa na what in a nina or any Kwaku ya ayam piano. Oh no, Sabi. You're gathering some home.
Minority people.
Why Jimmy Pa? And yet Pa so. Why Jimmy Chan and a bee? Now by Yampina, what Jimmy say? What Jimmy Chan and a bee? Bawumia kotu to Doóm ho na wo fere woni nyansa ko bo so Jimmy pa na ni pa na odi kotu to ati se de wa fa akwatia na de kotu ni patenten ko ho odogo odi akwatia na kotu odogo ko ho wa Jimmy pa
dogo moro
eti no ni tintini checha ni se panda ni nyina ye ko
se da be ni ye ko no
me mai ma dun se me tia me na chi kakre bi ohia soma me timi tiam na chiki tuebi
okay
na me baya me de me bag si wa na mafa se
what ye blaja hin no
we say ewiase no nipa mu nim nyansa sa no mo no so
me moniti ana
then
blaja hin no me moniti
de wo keka
was it no rerun mame mo
dabi me ka wo hini bia na se me hu ni videos ono ya friend sen
wono ne de no ho oh blaja ide
wo
de Tróuble neti production team are ready
blaja
mame fam wo
dabi sa de no mamo mo
ti
obi de sene me bo kakra ti
me sremo 30 seconds mo wo so mame.
We are concerned about the potential consequences of a rerun. Should it be upheld? If violence and vandalism at the collation center and the destruction of electoral materials by aggrieved individuals can lead to a rerun, undoubtedly we have a very good reason to say that it will definitely set a dangerous precedent for future elections in Pandai. Peace, respectfully, are calling on the President and all stakeholders to ensure that the will of the people of Pandai constituency is duly respected regarding the 2024 parliamentary elections. And so we say, no rerun in our constituency.
We na me din no we fa me sansem se mintie unse me nyansa ni pi se
we ohinu
yes we ohini me nim se ohini bia so wo nimdia se bi o eta ni nyansa eji
wo fra hemfi
na se bi we ohini a wo se wo dadwen ho deep ansa na obi wa no enye se bi kwakwahwe apa bi asoma wa na odi akire said the Bema or do say no do now the children.
Nana Mpajato.
It doesn't make any sense.
Oh.
No. We are in a rule of law country. When you have anything to do
with no real run.
Maybe Oh, Bible can't
say no one checking the background.
Bible can't say be near the toto and you may be one.
Or bet me
India, me mind intina omusi apini tie. India me mind intina omusi apini. We only India. No, a lack of knowledge into the money kasasa.
And people perish.
And so he has perished in public. Well, good who anymore say. I was saying the bush your phone running to ma. Well, good I could not feel. Because only be anyone more bet me I can't say we bedroom my funny ready.
In Yan who feel a bedroom.
Well, but good who anymore say. At the said the play cobra at the chem. Yes, the one it is said the pre because there is nothing, not even the voice of the president is superior to the law.
Yes, it's not above the law.
The president is not above the law. So when you appeal to the president to not run what is legally right to be run, it means that we're square peg in a round hole. He's not fit and proper to be the chief of that community. I'm sure, say, I'm not fracturing who that maybe I'm not a ma bedroom to one be in Huama. What's that fata?
What in Huaba?
What in Huaba? To preko any sabi nipa ngura techem.
Okay.
And untina I was say a man who say me I say me can say memo. Me can say memo because we be the send me. And I'm say me bo we here no say look at the chief. It may share say me bo na me can say no, I don't listen to such things.
Then they see your parliament in there. The reason why in here and there saa nyoma we nyina ekoso e parliament ne say eye minority for eye NPP for say courts ashe emra say eye pandai elections course 2024 no saa elections no eye court Ghana agiatum a judge dano no aka kire Ghana fo nyina say eye den eye saa abana omotoye no say wentwi e course ene ntokwa ne ketahye ne proye ene aba nipa bi wiaye ene ne kan mu ene ballot papers ne ballot boxes e bi ira enti judge ne say saa aba no yansa to ne foforo. In fact judge na otena case no so wanka say NDC aba power enti saa pandai seat no yemfama NDC for. The judge never said that. The judge never said say saa pandai seat no yentam seat ni fankoma NDC because John Mahamadu president or say saa wontwi ene me na me wini ye na we na wini ya asem na be pie court a court ejina evidence so ejina sebio adanse so etie afanyina no judge ne say from the otie free NPP for ho ene the otie free NDC for no ohun ne say obia wo case na sebio ompese obe deny pandai for of a member of parliament na sebio omoso omo ha omogidi tum se omoto abatia sa MP we no so ompese obe deny omo that right and omoso sebio omoto abama sa MP we no so no ompese ombenya adwunu bi se omo bu mra so a e wo se mra no ejina it o say twa no ekoyo ebayo wa wo se pandai for pewo no monko back na munyina mon sankoto aba no se MP na oteso no se pandai for hu ni se ono an omo pa majority of the people omo to about Kwanda and they don't vote for that MP. Say MP oteso say sebio abane to no mu no bibia ankoye na nipa bi ewi abadi mu a we will know ebi Kwanda for no ebesesa omonsa. That is all. Judge na nkase munkoku obi. Judge na nkase munkofa ase edu nketi amra. Wankase munkofa ayejo mahama mbra. Wankase munkofa na no pokwa. Wankase munkofa Akufo Addo. Judge ne say we Kwanda for they need to have some kind of understanding. They need to come to some kind of closure. They don't want a constituency to feel say ebia they not also we win and ebia the way winning ebia enseso be winning na judge ni pese sa peace na Kwanda for team no or pese or sustain peace because there's still tension in Kwanda. And the reason make us attention want to say okwa Kwanda na the onipa do bebre wo ha omakume mu no omo di arewo ebufu ho if you say omo adwene ye omo say anaso omo hu ni say pe de esi ye nti obi ewia aba no de ma MP no na judge ne pese obi sebio Kwanda for ebetwa omo akunti o say Kwanda for pe eye current MP na omo koto aba in 2024 no 99.9% of the order ho tiase and omo nyina no so omo da ho wo e de registered him inti mun sanko na mun koto aba no mukoto aba no na samo da ho pesa MP na oteso na why not samo mpena eno so ebekire. That is all. Inti eno ena eba parliament a speaker of parliament kire say sebio court ede emra aba court edi asem ema court say yendi mra we so parliament bebi a ehemra speaker of parliament oka say yentwe na de isi beka no na yenhwe sebia mra no beko yeto ena ebepto ho say e wo say emra na court ahye no e wo say parliament di so ena parliament say yendi sa mra no so enti sa Kwanda seat no clerk of parliament e de krata efri isi wo in fact isi for ena de koma eye parliament say former Alban Bagbin clerk na ka kire abamba bin say ye ne easy for ye ready ye pese ye kokpandai ne ye koyi MPF say court say ye nsan kwoto aba no ena clerk yi ono ye de hye ne nsem ena de bra speaker say speaker enie ena speaker say ende court na aka de a mom ye kokpandai ne ye nkode de ye nkwoto aba say MPP ni no ogine wudi say we wia banim na se bi okpandai for pena omo muti won beto ama no asa this should not affect government business. This should not affect budget, passe appropriations. It should not affect a estimate, approving. It should not affect. This is simple. I am very sure say MPs more parliament in almost win seat no send there yakasi yakotoaba na sa uji tumpa sa wuna win seat now. I don't think you will have a problem. So why do you think say this straightforward action taken by the Speaker of Parliament and Parliament as a whole, no? Today, some people from the minority, the NPP piglets, the inner monkeyism, traits, why do you think, say, they exhibited it today? It's because time and no more power, no? They never respected the rule of law. Now, I mention what Debbie. Until Kwandai is resolved, government business is going to suffer. What you say? So, Anno Dompreh constituency. As some kind was say, until Kwandai issue no, omo benya di omo peno. Se ende ye di sika eko eye clinic ana hospital bia e won constituency a mema aban fanko. Se won tiasia sa na se kire. O say sa Kwandai asem na abesi na eye court ashe parliament say yenkoto aba no. Anno Dompreh ne MPP for say send over time be at the regional hospital. And say akwara bi at the district clinic, district hospital. Na say bia e was say aban pass sika bi ne ye de ko boa no hospital. And ato yenche bi si wo constituency. Ye de sika bi ye wo constituency kwan. Ye de bibi ba wo constituency. Another press say because court ashe mra omo pese ombedi sunti. Sa sika na ye de bra wo say ye fa nchichiri wo kuro. Yemfanto de moja emfambra o constituency ana ono one constituency na ebia ende emergency nti obi wo ma moja tu no ye hia moja e wosan kedi bi mano no another press and the MPP was say no ende nka apimfo enwu ende nka injanka ende nka ende anadwumino ka say accident bi asi na se nipa bi behia emwo afra ban ho e wo say de sika to moja e wo say de sika eya nyome bia NPP for say until say Kwandai no yedi seat in beche omo no omo mpene e mo ba time bia nya e de enkwa another press omo mpene e ma Ghana mpuntuo bia ye bia constituency bia no enya de omo be pene. That is the meaning of the statement. Into the omo ye no say anopa no ko gina parliament say and the omo ma Ghana bibia nkoso Ghana. This is diabolic. This is dangerous. And there ya no say sankofo we nyina no they feel say omofa wudie na yetietia so parliament. Let's do something. Mama show adebi. This is Kojo Pom Kroma and the Ogranti interview. Now mungo ti Opom Kroma. Omuko parliament and no. In parliament, yama obi ho kwan ma obi adi mraso eye de osoye anameboa. Now, your friend be procedure. Procedure idea bia odeba yetwi kasema senia yedi mraso anase senia yehhehye nyoma emaniko kan yo a yedi so pepepe different procedure. Enti procedure we ni ye fa so saa kwan we ni ye fa so saa den kwan we ni ebedi so ma ende ye nyina ye tena table hu ni edidi a ye nim say procedure bi wo ho a wotam fork a ontumi entam fork mienu oso tam ba ko no bi so fa ba ko emo wotimo a ontumi nti emo gu plate miensa so wote ba ko pe e wo nko plate so enti procedure ye nyina ye didi eno na udu parliament a ye friend emra procedure edi so now ende before me go into a matter no me the kind of monkeys we have in parliament as minorities. And you see, the NPP, more idea be say, sa opportunity no munya na disrespected Ghana for a boom random so edin kwasi asem no, they are still in that shock or that state of mind. They say they still think say they are in power. They still believe say obiye Jimmy. They still think say when they speak, everybody should automatically see them as intelligent people. After Anno Dompreh had the opportunity to read about 10 pages of Omu speech, they got the opportunity in the same parliament to read 10 pages of how they feel about Pandai issue na abeda parliament. I see rerun. Nobody touched Anno Dompreh. Now, we and I will say, pene Emma NDC for dear, kind omano asem. Now, you go to your Ponkroma, can say, me, you are mature there. Listen to a Ponkroma.
In this instance, before the NDC came to power, there was a pre-advertised agenda to get rid of the Chief Justice. Already made that ruling. No amount of pressure should be brought on him.
Finally, as a caucus, you have made your point clear through your minority chief whip that this particular letter should be withdrawn. Now, per practice, we know that once you make that submission, we should hear from the other side of the house. In this case, you are opposed to hearing from the majority. We do not know what exactly he's going to say. Why don't you just give him a fair hearing so that we know the way forward?
Procedure is being used to perpetrate injustice in this country. So what they are seeking to do is to cool down the temperature and normalize it with a long discussion and then tell us that we can go to court if we don't like it. We need to let people understand that this is a political chamber. And all the tools of the trade are available to us in this political chamber. Now, if injustice is being perpetrated of this nature, we will withdraw cooperation. So what we have done is to withdraw cooperation. And prior to this, we have been cooperating. Every single report that comes, we support. We are working towards appropriation on the 19th. There's no business that we haven't supported. We are minded to support the government business to go on. But now that they have elected to put a spanner in their own works, by trying to use instruments of state to snatch this seat from us, we are left with no choice than to suspend cooperation. We have a lot of respect.
So, Kojo Ponkroma Kasano, or say, journalist Busan say, per practice, Makama Semine we, Emma, Monyonko form your majority nits now, numbers doors chemo about 10 times. They sat down, they listened to you in the chamber. Journalists will say a very intelligent question. We saw upon come and say, but colleagues no more the other side. When you people went into parliament, now we reading with speech, you said everything you want to say. Most of them say a withdraw letter now if you issue up and say, or say rerun the course. So, Parliament of Ghana, maybe a shembra and no one emrano. It allowed you and your group to say whatever you want to say. In fact, about 10-page document. Your leader today, Anno Dompreh, read everything. And now, journalist Busan say, now, per practice no, adentina say oti kebima min kebimum say unim nyansa na unjimiya. Se sebio se ubu Ghana fo a omo hwa parliament chamber nim e TV so a. Why don't you also give the same respect that they gave you to do what? For them to also tell their story, to also share their view on the same issues you want resolved. Because say oka no bianca, then there is no dialogue. The reason why there's one part, there's part A and part B, and they say we need to have what we call dialogue. I was say we share na now we are sharing na near back to a conclusion. Now for you making a decision. Into journalists and say I'm the opportunity. No, this is a democracy. Parliament is no more. Adentina moma NDC for no chance momo soon ready omo de enka omo adwene na yentumi hu bebi ebe ende because until say NDC for no ultimate match omo adwene wa asem we match omo adwene no we are not going to get to anything because we need to get to a conclusion. There should be dialogue. Nipa ba ko ene no hu ndi nkomo. Kojo Ponkroma bi na no say procedure is being used to perpetrate injustice. What you say? Or say a procedure, bibi a friend procedure. Senya ye di emraso ana senya ye fa a kwan bi so ede nyoma bi e wo Ghana ye nyina ajatum no. O se nipa bi e fa saa kwan ne so ede de bi e den ede oyene ene ede nipa bi fa hodie ntiatia so aba. The question here is the same Kojo Ponkroma and his group of monkeys, they used the same procedure to tell the world in parliament how they felt about the decision of the speaker. Procedure. This same NPP piglets relied on procedure because without procedure, Anno Dompreh wouldn't get the opportunity. Like the majority leader, Hassan Ayaraga, would not allow Anno Dompreh, such a clown, a silly boy, to spend about 30 minutes spewing trash and listening. It was because the NDC or Parliament understood or understands, say, procedure is very vital when it comes to dialogue. It's the same procedure upon Nkrumah is telling you that people are using the procedure to perpetrate injustice. No, they capitalized on the same procedure to be able to make their point heard. They capitalized on this same procedure because I don't think, say, without procedure, another Dompreh, that silly boy, and could be an opportunity to stand on his feet for about 30-40 an hour to tell us the trash he told us today. But because the NPP or because the NDC and Parliament and Speaker himself, they respect that procedure, and not Dompreh led these piglets and monkeys to speak their mind in Parliament. I hope you understand what I mean. Sebio, you are claiming that procedure is not being used, but the same procedure was what you stood on today. That was your springboard to make your case that you do not understand why we should go back to Pandai to do what? To go and vote or go have a rerun. So it tells you clearly, say, this group of NPP piglets, this group of boys and girls in the NPP who are not intelligent enough to understand, say, the Omo Magana for a more say they don't even deserve to have 87 MPs in Parliament. Now, they wanted to rely on the same procedure to instruct or plead with the Speaker to adjourn Parliament. Why were they using procedure to make sure Speaker adjourns Parliament, to stop Parliament today from working? I thought they had all the powers. I thought they could have all risen, or they could have all gotten off their seat and said, say, we are going home. But they wanted the Speaker to go through the procedure. They wanted the procedure to work. And it's at a point, after they exhibited the highest form of monkeyism, they still told the Speaker that, Mr. Speaker, we want to stand on this. And with all due respect, instruct you to adjourn Parliament. That is procedure. But the same fools will turn around and meet the media and say, oh, procedure is being used to perpetrate the injustice. How? How can you make one statement here and the thing you are against, it is the same thing you want to favor you? You are using the same procedure to make your case. You are using the same procedure to speak your mind, to put across your grievance. But the same procedure you are telling us that if somebody has to use it, now that procedure is evil. This shows how foolish these people are. Now time on page of Musaka as Speaker air journey case, now procedure ben or omofaso. Sir Tolon MP, the only time that fool stands in Parliament to speak is when he's calling for a head count. When the Speaker say, Omo kan we no busa say left and right. Yen twaso anasami yen twaso. NDC focus say yen twaso amokasma me yen twaso no. That piglet, the Tolon MP rose up and said he wanted a head count and a procedure. Why is that procedure not being used to perpetrate injustice in Parliament? Is it on the same procedure? Now mo pesa bujina so Emma Speaker of Parliament etiemo. Now moya debia I some nyan. I some Jimmy. And you see, I keep telling Ghana for say party way 2028 na gu. When Jimmy, you can't think beyond my party. And it helps me say majority of the young people in the NPP no more Jimmy champion for no. Sammy Uku, Kojo Nkrumah, Asante Bediatuo, Samuel Jinapo, almost Jimmy champion for, because it's so bad to say the young ones who are supposed to be smarter, intelligent to know, say no. We know our future is very important to us. We need to be smart. We need to be intelligent. In Kwarane Jimmy champion for no, and it bothers me because then it shows say the party has no future. Now, yesterday they had a meeting with the minority leader Afenyo Markin. Now ask yourself, Argentina is such an important thing to them. You did not see Afenyo Markin in Parliament. He set them up. Onim say majority of NPP for Piglet we Omwe Jimmy. He's doing business with them. Do you know why he didn't show up? Afenyo Markin did not show up because Onim say this thing they had planned Andra to do today, it was going to destroy some of them, their political career for good. Why do you think, say, halfway they are fooling? They went back and came with nose mask. They had realized that Afenyo Markin, leader na ejimi omo. There are so many of them who want to be minority leader. Now Afenyo Markin knew, say, the moment he pushed them, he throws them to the dogs. And on record, you these piglets, you were standing and chanting. Afenyo Markin's face wasn't there. He wasn't part of it. Now, who is going to take the fall? Because there are no records of Afenyo Markin leading this group of piglets to misbehave in the history of the Republic of Ghana, to see members of parliament foolishly exhibiting monkeyism attitude. So what he did yesterday was that he knew, say, the action they were taking, the rerun will go on. They are not willing to leave Bawumia's campaign to go and follow that cow. So what he was going to do was, he wanted to protect his leadership, because Senka Afenyo Markin leading Kofo now, he would have been forced to swallow the shit. Now, because he's not ready to put his political career on the line for these piglets, what he did was that he did not come to parliament. Now, what did he do? He told them he was going to come. He told them, when you go do this. Now, when they got there and started fooling, they realized, they have been fucked up. At a point, they all went back and started using nose masks, thinking, they can hide from their constituents. The second part of parliament, no nose mask, because now they've realized, their constituents will be asking, now kwasia we onyo ne yakoko ntokoma ne se onko pension mra. Kwasia we enyo ne yakon ntokwa eto abama ne se onko pempuntu mra. Odwan we enyo no na oma yedwa ye ho ahomachi ekobo flag no adenti na ndo gina parliament ejimi a parliament nkoso ose onye enu nti dom kofa nose mask no. Inti Afenyo Markin no o redi omu nyina hu se omu ejimi. O redi omu nyina hu se nyansa efe ne nyansa omu ni bi. So he set them up. As a whole minority, he decided not to show his face. Because let me tell you for a fact, right now, after today, this video will destroy lots and lots of these fools, their political career. This video, whatever happened in parliament today, that is the end of majority of them, their political career. But you will never find Afenyo Markin's face. In the future, anybody that contests Afenyo Markin in the NDs, in the NPP, or even wanting to be a flag bearer, he can use this video against you. But you cannot use any video against him, because he has never stood in parliament and obstructed government business. He has decided to set you the fools up. Into Muma Jimmy, NPP Mwa Jimmy, the younger ones are more foolish. Into halfway no, and I'm realizing that you didn't kwasi asem. Afenyo Moka say yankoto nose mask ni enche. Send your beya your constituents no enwi enim. Na me bechawa debi. Before I enter into the 30 MPs or more parliamentar, sir, mechaw about the parliamentar in 2028, our constituents, they have to change their hand. I was a sanko for no, yes, stop you, and I'll do everything possible to make sure, say, Sandy Patet way they never enter parliament again. Remember, our constituents not here say, these are not people that you can rely on. Let me tell you, they see a parliament in the the person who led them, Medinka Achiro way, and Sana Makuminim. Come out. Nipana odi omonim and the momu Jimmy or parliament, voter, original parliament, the different voter between on any NDs in a 207 vote, Anno Dompreh. So Anno Dompreh, realistically, he's not even supposed to be in parliament. It would now, Kwasia where Onim say 2028, he is going to lose the seat. He's dragging you along. Anno Dompreh, parliament jina Jimmy no ho, Ekekan Kwasia brofo, obu buditimu no. Vote or the parliament 207 vote on the NDC, upon beatings in the pomu bomu tuo. Calling for about recount about 10 times, or only 207 votes, and the BT NDC in the original parliament in there. Now, what shows or what tells you, say, this guy who didn't achieve a parliament, you are coming back to parliament. He is not coming back to parliament. Majority of you people don't know the constituency nation in a crowbar soon because Afenyo Markin Anno Dompreh has to go back to parliament. 207 votes. And Okrano okuhunipa omu bohunipa tuo. omo ye recounting be 20 times. That time no more NPP no power. Vote original parliament on the NDC no contest 207. Now we member of parliament ya suma. Yase ko parliament. Ko shemra. Ko di wuni. Ko mat nipa na omode obae no asem hia no odo kwase di otoku wechi. This silly fool who does not have respect for the rule of law. Member 29 so, but I wanted to give you an idea. It will be to say Patricia J. Mami pejina obetuma wo Afenyo Markin. Obetuma wo Anno Dompreh. Mami pejina otuefu dwene. Na wama small boy we are in parliament no gina no nipa ni difference the manager parliament no 200 votes. Na wo mami Patricia J. Abrewa poso obobon to mashe wo nufu ase. Na wo tinkwara we nim na wo jimi wo ho mami penyini. Na ade atia na wo tu dwene aba begina wo se yambu yama we nidie na wo parliament na wo te no ase Patricia PJ parliament na wo te no maame abrewa te se wo a wanufu ago a sebio ubebi ago a oje na ewu a awose wa adwene be fie no na ma nkwara we agimifo we akwa we gina parliament only 207 votes. Sankanya NDC NPP na power anka otwe we nko ni parliament. Na wo maami penyini abrewa poso we nufu anu nyina adwojo na ugina parliament ma enkwara we Sammy ukumo metumi no obetumi awo omo ometumi afa wase aba Kojo Ponkro obetumi afa wase epie John Ginapo Samuel Abuginapo obetumi afa wase epie Sankofo obetumi afi omo na omo gina wachi na maami penyini untumi ndana ho ngasa monka manu ntum na wama nkwara we gina wachi na ujimi wo ho maami penyini na yakoya na se ye bae enkwara wo betumi afi omo obetumi apon wo mo enkwara wo obo wa na wo nyima obetumi apon wo mo na enkwara wo egu wachi na maami abrewa poso te sawo unnim nyansa beka se da bi enya sa na ekekere man. So were you expecting said you see your parliament no anka no na bema mwenya de mo pa na it does not work like that. Enkwara mu di wachi na obetuma afi o mato obetuma pon wo mo sa wonyim na poli na obetuma pon kwara we mo mafiri mu pia atototo ho na ma me panyini te sawo ade anim guase no asante ni ba na yeka obuo na mo pe obuo no firi. But I'll come to the matter. Abrewa poso tan unsuye nyansa matna sa a young man metuwfo politics inti wadane political jantra man kwara we so ha no atwe we tare woto na ma me panyin toto te sawo wonu fo asin fifire na nkwara we tare ho adan a ye ntiase unimu mra. You have been in parliament, ura parliament. Na nkwara we o ma me mpon embo jantra se be wo mo na ma me abrewa poso te sawo wonu fo asin fifire gina ye ntiase o gidien edien na woje dadie she obodi sim na wugina ho wugina no why you say edien na woje.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.